In this video, I am going to show you how to create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. So let's see how we can do it. So I will show you each and everything from creating subdomain in Hostinger and installing WordPress. So at the end of this tutorial, you will have a professional WordPress website. So at first we need to log into our Hostinger Hpanel, and now from the Hostinger Hpanel we need to scroll down to the hosting section. So here it is. So next to our web hosting plan we will see a manage button. So we are going to click on this manage button from here. So now we are in the web hosting dashboard. At first we need to select the domain name for which we are going to create a subdomain. So we are going to select our domain name from here. After that, from the left menu we are going to click on domains and then click on subdomains from here. So as you can see that our domain is selected, and then we have selected the subdomain from here. So now to create our subdomain we are going to give it a name. So we are going to enter our subdomain name here. So now if you want to create a custom or separate folder for your subdomain, so we are going to select custom folder for subdomain from here. So after that we are going to give our folder a name. So this will be the name of our subdomain folder, and after that we are going to click on create from here. And as you can see that our subdomain is now created, and now you can easily visit your subdomain from here. So this is our subdomain, and now we are going to install WordPress on our subdomain. So we are going to close it from here. Now to install WordPress on our subdomain, again from the left menu we are going to click on website, and now we are going to select auto installer from here. So to install WordPress on our subdomain we are going to select WordPress. So now at first we need to add our website title, so we are going to paste it here. After that we need to add our administrator email, so we are going to add it here. So next is administrator username. So we are going to add our administrator username. This administrator username and password will be used later on to log into our WordPress website. So after that we are going to add our administrator password. After adding these details we are going to click on advanced from here. And now we are going to select our installation path. And for the installation path we are going to select the subdomain that we have just created. So we are going to click on this drop down and then select our subdomain that we have just created. After that you can choose a database for your WordPress website, but we will leave it as it is, and then we are going to click on next from here. So now you can select the WordPress version from here and your language from here, and after that you can also choose the PHP version, and also you can select the setting for the application updates. We will set it to update only to minor version, and after that we are going to click on install from here. And as you can see that WordPress is now installed on our subdomain that we have just created. So now we are going to log into the admin panel of our WordPress website. So we are going to click on admin panel from here, and it will take us to the dashboard of our WordPress website. So right now we are in the dashboard of our WordPress website that we have just created on our subdomain. Now if you want to install the best theme on your WordPress website, then I will recommend you to go with the Astra theme. So we are going to click on appearance and then themes. Now from the top we are going to click on add new theme, and here you will find out the Astra theme. So we are going to click on it, and then from the top we are going to click on install. And as you can see that our theme is now installing. So our theme is now installed, and now we are going to activate our theme. So as you can see that our theme is now installed and activated. So if you want to build your website from scratch, then you can go with this second option. But if you want to use the starter templates of this Astra theme, then you can click on let's get started with the starter templates. Astra theme offers a lot of starter templates. Some of them are free while some are paid. But you can easily create a professional website with the help of free starter templates. So we are going to select build with templates from here. I use Elementor for all my websites. So from the top, I am going to select Elementor. So here you can see that we have a lot of templates that we can use for our website. Some of them are paid while some are free. So this one is premium. So if you have the budget, then you can go with the premium one. But for the starting, I will recommend you to go with the free plan. So select the starter template that you want to install. After that, you can select fonts and color palette for your template. And you can also upload a logo from here if it is ready. After that, just click on continue from here and then click on skip this step from here and then click on submit and build my website. And as you can see that our plugins are now installing on our website, and within a minute our starter template will be imported. So as you can see that our starter template is now successfully imported. So now to view our website, we are going to click on this view your website button. So this is the website that we have just created on our subdomain using the Astra theme starter template. And also you can customize this template very easily. From the top, just click on edit with Elementor and then click on skip from here. So now you are in the editing panel of your website and you can change or edit anything from here. Let's say you want to change this text heading. So click on it, and on the left side, you can easily change it from here. You can remove it or you can add new text here. So it is very easy to do it. So to change the button, just click on it and you can change it from here. To add a link to your button, you can add it from here. Let's say you want to change this background image. So we are going to select this container from here, and then from the top we are going to click on style, and from here you can easily change this image. Just click on choose image. You can upload an image from your computer, or you can select the image from your media library that you have already uploaded. Just select any image from here and then click on select. And as you can see that our image is now changed. So you can do all the changes for your website very easily. So this is how you can create subdomain in Hostinger and install WordPress. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.